Plastic ornaments, they adorn your neck like they should. And that drink we had on a summer's day felt so good. So cheers to the wreckage that we made. As of late, my smile is wearing out. We sing cheers